Hello guys, welcome back to Home to Legend. Today we are back on another brand new drone flight. What we're going to do, we're going to take off, so...
Take off. Home point updated.
Right, so we're in the air now. Let's go high. And yeah, it's a nice day today. So we're going to go full height. We'll do a 360 photo. There's a big tall building over here. We're gonna get a shot of that as well. You'll see it over here. Big building.
Max altitude reached.
Full height, far. It's a bit windy, I think. The wind just picked up right now. Let's just do a normal recording. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a shot of this building right here, the construction site. I'm gonna try and get an orbit shot of it. So as you can see the construction site right here. I'm gonna get an orbit shot, obviously we're not gonna get too close to it. I'm just gonna stay about here. And we're gonna get an orbit shot. Alright, starting back now. Now we're going to get more low down shots. There's a pond over here, let's check that out. What we're going to do, we're going to go close to this building again. We're going to get a more low down shot.
Max altitude reached.
I'm going to get the back of it as well. Alright, let's start heading back now. At the same time, we're going to get a sideways shot of here. Alright. Oh, the train's here, look. Let's get a shot of that as well. Alright. Let's come back now. There's a bit of strong wind. It's going to take a little while to come back now. How many shots can you get? Yeah, it's a bit struggling a bit to come back. It's only coming at 30 miles an hour because I was going in tailwind and now I'm coming back in headwind. Alright, so let's just stay local because that burns up my battery. Going in headwind. You can probably hear how loud it is. You can actually hear it. Let's get a shot of the car over there. Get a nice shot of it. Going quite fast in this tailwind. Alright, let's come back now. There's a pond over here. Try and get a low down shot of that. So I'm standing right over here. I'm gonna walk towards it. I'm gonna try and get a low down shot. See, let's get a low down shot of this pond. Got to be careful that doesn't hit any birds. Let's not go too close. Don't hit any birds. It's really risky. So many birds in this area. I haven't got much low down shots, but I don't want my drone to get hit by a bird and just fall in the water. Let's come back now. We can still get this amazing shot. Right, let's get a shot going towards the sun. Actually no, let's get a shot of going towards this area again. Don't like the birds. That is amazing, this shot. I want to get a 360 photo because the wind's calmed down. So I'm going to use the last part of the battery to get the 360 photo.
Max altitude reached.
Let's come back now. I'm going to get a reverse shot of it. I want to fly for longer, but I'm low on battery. Let's get a shot of this as well.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home
Before
point in 10
we
seconds.
lose battery. I want to save battery for the 360 photo. I've got to act quickly. Got to come back and do the 360 photo now. Quickly do the 360 photo. We're now going to come back down. We'll grab it out of the way.
Critically
Alright.
low battery
That was my
warning.
drone flight. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon.